organizers, partners, and distinguished members of the 7th Nation Builders Muslim Awards. I join you in celebrating not only individual achievements but also for a collective vision, a future built on sustainability, innovation, and commitment to our nation and planet. The Muslim Awards exemplify what it means to be a true nation builder, someone who goes beyond boundaries, industries, and expectations to create meaningful change. As your partner in the Senate, I continue to push for policies that advance renewable energy, sustainable stewardship, and inclusive development. But legislation alone cannot achieve our goals. It is your passion, creativity, and tireless efforts that bring these policies to life and ensure their success on the ground. To the awardees, their contributions are seeds of change planted today that will bloom for generations to come. I commend all of you for your dedication, your courage, and your vision. Mabuhay ang Builders and Muslim Awards. Mabuhay po ang ating bayan. Ito po si Senator Francis Tolentino, inyong majority leader. And Merry Christmas to all.